Redesigning my Scalextric slot car track, removing the overpass. I like to document my different track setups just so I can remember what they were over time. I like this layout a lot. It was fun to drive and had some good fast areas and some tight turns. The only problem was that I discovered after I built it that the Dodge Monaco, the Bluesmobile, would not fit under the overpass. I guess I could have made the overpass taller, but I just think that would have made too steep of a climb for those corners, so I decided just to rebuild the track. I purchased a C8210 from Amazon. It retails for $45, but I got it for $25. That's not a bad price. I thought about just using this to replace the overpass, but then I thought about, well, maybe I'll redesign the rest of the track. I wanted to keep the straight areas along the side of the table and then kind of redo the top end and in the middle. So that's kind of what I did. I broke up the two hairpin turns and made a squish lane in between them just because I had the extra track pieces and I never really set up like that before. I then figured out how to set up the pit lane, basically in and out and make the turn. Getting the track to hook back up from the crossing piece was rather difficult. I had to mix and match a lot of curves to make it fit. Now that I got the basic track laid out, I'll go ahead and set up the borders and the rest of the stuff and get the track complete and ready to run. I also purchased from Amazon the C8223 half-straight borders. They cost less than $20 and I really wanted to have them for the single lane curves. Well, this is the final setup here. Got everything set up, the lights and the traffic lights, and this is kind of a night shot too. You can see the lap counter there. I didn't set it to count laps on this run. This is my first time driving the Bluesmobile, and it drives pretty good. It's not a barn burner, but it does okay. Once I got driving this track for a while, I noticed that every turn is an outside or an inside turn for every single turn of that lane. Now that doesn't matter, I guess, as much because you've got digital and you can switch lanes, but still I'm kind of not thrilled about the track, just kind of for that reason alone. But I'll drive this setup for a while, and the next one I'm going to do, I'm going to move the tables around to give me some long straightaways and tight turns, so I think that'd be cool. Hey, if you made it this far, please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.